Hello friends, we are starting our organized self-employment ministry and budget 30 session, and we are organizing this organized self-employment ministry at my home Sharadapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 639736017. The basic principle behind this is that we should make a right of pension fundamental right, a right of pension after 14 year for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credits over fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget, preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed, self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office should be fundamental right. Direct link to ministry and budget, and we should be documented from the Sharadapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 639736017, room number 126. The first room is of Shiv Shakti, the Shiv Puran, the Trishul and the Vermilion Mark family. We have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan Eye and from the Governor House Eye. The second room is from the Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita, Amit Puran, the Chakra and the Vermilion Mark. The third room is of the ISBN family, the Brahma Saraswati family, those who are working like Mr. Swaminathan, Green Revolution, father of the nation, father of the Green Revolution, like Vikram Sarabhai, like the Homi Bhave, who have been working for the development of Hindus, ISBN families, and Rabindranath Tagore, Vivekanand, Ishwarchand Vidyasagar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Shama Prasad Mukherjee, all these ISBN, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Lal Krishna Advani, Lalu Prasad Yadav, Mulayam Singh Yadav, all types of Bal Thackeray, Uddhav Thackeray, all, Akhilesh Yadav, all, so that the ISBN, Brahma Saraswati, Kamandal and Vermilion, Narendra Modi, all books, ISBN certificate. My book, Truth Only Trumps, this book, Truth Only Trumps, ISBN 8190186002X, copyright number 954/03/CUL, for making organized self-employment ministry and budget system. Then fourth one, we have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan Eye and from the Governor House Eye. Then fourth family, the Adi Shakti Jagadamba family, Durga Sapti and Devi Bhagavad, the different mandirs of Adi Shakti Jagadamba. The Truth Non-Violence were worked like Sarojini Naidu, Pratibha Patil, Sushma Swaraj, Indira Gandhi, Mother Teresa, Annie Besant. These types of ladies who have worked, Vijay Radhe Scindia, these types of ladies who have worked for the welfare of the woman, Adi Parashakti Jagadamba. Document. Then the fifth is of each united Varshkrit Godangans, Truth Non-Violence, Hindu Varshkrit, different Varshkrit, north, south, east, west, all over India. And sixth one is from 20 into 5, from this only, because 100% all are working. I have tried to pay 16.66 into 6 by putting sixth room, Constitution of India and the Parliament, RBI, Supreme Court, Bureaucracy, Army, Police, Secretariat, and the document economy. Then by putting in that spiritual, because we are the sons and daughters of Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. All the rays are going there. It is reaching to the point where I started the book 31st August 2001. If everyone is understanding, then I am putting on 31st August 1946, from where the Clement Attlee document is coming in the parliament, from the Bank of Thames, from the London Parliament. Clement Attlee is sending the act that India will get independence on 31st August 1946. And from there we start our self-rule, the dream of the home rule. Annie Besant, Lokmanya Tilak, Bhimrao Ambedkar, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, all the great leaders. The document path we are making, we have developed in the midst of that 26 January 1950 Republic. We have made Aadhaar card, PAN card, photo election identity card, passport. All is documented. Now we are documenting self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office. By this book, truth only trumps. Truth only trumps, that is organized self-employment ministry and budget. I am selling this book in the market. You can call and can purchase. This organized self-employment ministry and budget is giving validity in our work. Validity in self-income, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit. We are, by documenting signature, if you all agree, this is organized self-employment 30 session. What work we are doing? This is the fiscal credit table, because I have tried to document 30,000 above earner and 30,000 below earner. 30,000 above earner and 30,000 per month below earner. Now the problem of 30,000 per month below earner is the irregular income, because they are not able to earn regularly. In 1 month 5 lakh and 1 month other. So what happens? We are not able to judge the uniform employment. So by this method, by fiscal credit table, when we are signing, this is the uniform method of fiscal credit table. In this way, we are getting employment. What work we are doing? We are taking our chair and table, sitting. That is our self-employment government job, and validity is given. In lieu of that, we are becoming vote bank of the system which has been carrying over by the document method, and we are entering into the documented economy, democratic documented economy. If we are liking, we are signaturing. What we are seeking? I organize self-employment, having this degree. According to that, I am earning this. Per month we are signaturing, and we are becoming fiscal credit holder. On that, pension, gratuity, provident fund, dearness, allowance is coming, and try to understand the concept, because it is democratic concept. Sitting at home and going to organize self-employment ministry, we are self-employed and we are doing the work also. Private sector also, because it is privatization also. Organized work, 750 MPs and MPs are there from Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Day and night they are working. We have annual budget 100 ministry from 1860. We have railway budget 1 ministry from 1860. We don't have organized self-employment ministry and budget because we don't have the document signature. Therefore, we are not able to judge. Basic problem is of the irregular earner. Those who are able to be stable in employment, there is no problem. but one problem is of job going and coming. This is being solved by this signature signing, like the railway budget, and railway ticket fare. This is fixed because the organized self-employment finance minister will control it by the signature of the parliament when the act will be passed. By signing in front of Sardapur, Lonar Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, at your home from room number 1 to 6. By the document method, it will reach to the parliament and the act will be passed, and we will become vote bank from our house in all the cities. And organized self-employment ministry and budget will start working. With that, I am also putting the 4,500 MPs and MLAs working in 29 states, 6 union territories. And we have to see this table. From the Prime Minister table and President table, and from the, as we are seeing, the uniform table fare of the railways, and from the Chief Minister table and from the Governor table, this fiscal credit table, uniform employment work. What work we are doing? We are getting self-employment government job, and from the different political party, all president of the political party, Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, JP Nadda, Akhilesh Yadav, Tej Yadav, all the political party. By signing this document, we are becoming vote bank, and we will believe that all the Rashtrapati Bhavan angle which we are seeing from the document, the angles, the rays are coming from the Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. By the document system, 175 crore documents mandir out of Shiv Shakti, 175 crore document mandir out of Vishnu, Lakshmi, Ram, Sita, Krishna, the 175 crore mandir, the ISBN writers, all the books, the great Swaminathan, Green Revolution book of agriculture, Vikram Sarabhai book of the ISRO, the Homi Baba book, all types of good books, Rabindranath Tagore, Gitanjali, Vivekanand, 1893 Chicago session, all types of good book, 12 we are taking, Mahatma Gandhi, My Experiment with Truth, Jawaharlal Nehru, Discovery of India, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, all types of book we are putting in the documents. ISBN certificate document with the truth only terms. Truth only terms, the book which is recommending self-employment government job, because we have infinite population and infinite profession. This book, and by self-earning, self-work showing, sitting on our chair, by validating of the parliament, we are becoming self-employment government servant. And by this fiscal credit table, the validity from the parliament and from the government, we are becoming self-employment government servant, and we start moving on the constitutional path. In lieu of that, we are understanding this session organized self-employment 30 session, 30 session, from the Sardapur, Lonar Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. Who want to purchase the book, who want to join organized self-employment ministry under the understanding concept of Amit Kumar Jha. By that concept, we are becoming the fiscal credit representative. We are now entering into the uniform employment, and by that uniform employment, what is happening? That self-employment government job is coming. Self-employment government job is coming, and every year before the presentation of the organized self-employment ministry and budget, income tax will check whether we are reaching above 30,000 per month or not. That is 30-70 ratio is there. The 30,000 per month can be increased and decreased according to the inflation, deflation, boom and depression, because what we are earning It is according to our will. This is only the uniform rate. If we are appointing above 30,000, we are making document, and if we are not, all we are working, because on that level we are getting fiscal credit salary. 130 crore population. The money is rendering from the work, because from the room number 1 to 6, 6 steps of work are continually going. Now every worker wants rate. One room is of a devoted politician, one room is of devoted industrialists. Devoted politicians are working for welfare, but that qualification is coming after winning the MP and MLA seat. Understand this point. The money is required by everyone, but that devotion is given by the representative. Second is of industrialist who is working for the profit. Third is the education, scientist, legal lawyers. All are working with the motive, because the work is done means the money is coming. The fourth is of the devoted woman who is working in the Hindu family as a housewife, sisters, daughter-in-law, daughters. She is devotedly doing her work, but for that we are not giving anything, because we are thinking this is their work. So uniform system is giving fiscal credit salary to all. Work is being acknowledged, whatever qualification, because by organized self-employment ministry and budget I am putting right of educational certificate in capital value by the document system. Means all our sisters and daughters are getting fiscal credit salary. So that is also coming. Then truth and non-violence, because everyone is not satisfied by the uniform, because in railways some is going in the first class, second is going in the second class, and third is going in the third class. But the uniform system is that we all are catching the railways at suppose 7 a.m. is the time of railway. So we all are coming there. We all are coming to the railway station and airport, because the departure time is 7 a.m. So if we are going on airport, we are coming at 7 a.m. If the departure time is 8 a.m. in the platform, we are coming platform at 8 a.m. and catching the train. So this is the time. This is the document by which we are signing, and we are coming to our employment set. From 0 to 18 if it is required, and 18 to 58. Whenever in our life when we think that we require, yes, we want self-employment government job, this job is there. So truth and non-violence, this organized self-employment is there. 100% ready 24/7 365. 24/7 365 days for infinite days. As we have Election Commission of India, after becoming 18 years we are becoming voters. Now fiscal credit per month soar. Election Commission of India. If everyone is understanding from 31st August 1946, documentation, document economy, we are moving on the documented part. We are recognizing we are the vote bank of each other. Then the fifth family, the government family. Every 5 years devoted election is done. 24/7 duty is done. 100 dialing and police is reporting to our house. Fire brigades immediately are coming to our house. 100% devotion is coming. Everyone is working by the heart. By this document system, everyone is becoming uniform. 30,000 above and 30,000 below. For these types of fiscal credit, we all fiscal credit people, we are making self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing. And we are becoming self-employment government job. Now, whole life, no tension. Because according to the degree, if at any time we think that no, this is the right time, we should join in the organized self-employment, taking our chair and table. We are sitting at the rented flat taken by Amit Kumar Jha all over India, and we are sitting with this fiscal credit table. We have to sign the document that I, being organized self-employed under the guidance policy of Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, room number 126. We are becoming self-employed government servant and giving the power to the organized self-employment ministry, finance minister, that 30,000 above and 30,000 below, so that the vote bank ratio can be maintained, because then quality can be easily understood. Because one student is waking at 3 o'clock and then reaching at above 30,000. One student is waking at 9 o'clock. The ratio is equally potent. So we cannot stop or change system. What we can do, we can document ourselves. If we are documenting in a uniform way, what will happen? We will become a uniform, and the vote bank will also. And by this way, all our brothers and sisters is earning, and we are also earning, because we have started respecting our forefather from 31st December 1885. He started giving for organizing Election Commission of India, and we got our national flag, and we became independent by investing their money. At that time, idealism was the concept. Now the concept is changing, because in home everyone is crying in the bed that the good employment is not there. We, by our work, the 750 MPs of Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha, the 4,500 MLAs and MLAs of Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad, who are working day and night by the uniform fiscal credit table, by signing the document, immediately we can make the document path. We all industrialists, those who are working in the Hindus sector, 750 central level multinational corporation, 4,500 state level multinational corporation who are working day and night for the development of India. We all educationists working in the central universities who are producing central level brain IITs and IIM, Atomic Research Center, Bhava Atomic Research Center, Vikram Bhai Sarabhai Atomic Research Center, Agriculture Universities. The Adi Shakti Jagdamba, various women who has been working for the uniform system, the women of the representative of the parliament, and all the women, the Anganwadi workers who are working day and night by the uniform system. The each united worship God in truth and non-violence, day and night working for the efforts, the truth and non-violence, unity of Hindu war. And the constitutional representative of 26 January 1950, who have been working on the document system by signing 6 family, understanding the rays of Kailas Dham, Vaikundam, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, and each united God and Goddess Dham, reaching at the point of Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. Organized self-employment ministry budget 30 session, can sign the document. We have to believe from the Rashtrapati Bhavan and from the governor house, and then we have to put this fiscal credit table as Kailas Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, Vaikuntha Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, Satya Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, each united God and Goddess Rashtrapati Bhavan, and government Rashtrapati Bhavan, and joining our to the original Rashtrapati Bhavan where our republic, our president is living. Similarly, in the governor house also, we have to believe Kailas Dham governor house, Vaikuntha Dham governor house, Satyalok Dham governor house, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham governor house, each united God and Goddess governor house and governor house united into our governor house in the all state and union territories. And by signing the document, putting our chair and table, we are becoming self-employment government job servant. And what will happen? This will change our structure in our life, and on that basis what will be moving? We will be becoming self-employment government job servant, and this will change our statute, because on that basis we will be able to move our life, because self-employment government job system by document system and uniform system will change our life into a dignified life. Wherever we are working, they will also enjoy, and we will be also on the documented path. A uniform employment system will change our statute, because according to my philosophy, if 10 rupees assurance in self-employment government job form we are getting from the government side in democratic manner, and we are becoming the vote bank of 750 MPs and 4,500 MLAs and representative of multinational corporation who are working with us. In that way, we are able to move the system on the way which is having this, because organized self-employment ministry will help us to move, because 10 rupees which we are getting from the organized self-employment fiscal credit salary, that means yearly we are getting 120 rupees, and on that fiscal credit salary will come. By the uniform system of fiscal credit salary, we will be able to move our civilization in organized way by documenting our path, and this will change our stature, because we have infinite population and infinite profession. By the document method we can change the system, because this document method, the document economy, is already in our photo election commission. We have already made a disintegrated and division of power system. What we require is the document, small pockets. We organize self-employment ministry, workers are working in the different parts of the country by the self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, and becoming a documented sons and daughters of Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham in a democratic manner. And if all are understanding, from the 31st August 1946, by the documented system, the 299 constitutional representative who has made our constitution, we can document ourselves and we can become self-employed government servant by organized self-employment ministry and budget. And this will change our statute, because if 10 rupees per month, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, by the fiscal credit table, uniform employment rate we are doing, and we are trying to move above 30,000 and below 30,000. In our hand 120 rupees already yearly we are earning, and by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month source commission, we can, by truth and non-violence and the 6 rays which we are getting from Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham, we can, by the document system we can do, and we become self-employed. And by the fiscal credit per month showing on the election day, we can take Trishul and Vermilion mark, Chakra Vermilion mark, and Kamandal Vermilion mark, and the Trineth Vermilion mark, and the Varshkrit, that is book Vermilion mark, and the government stamp Vermilion, and democratic election we can play by this, by truth and non-violence. On our table and chair we can easily debate on that, because the real problem is that we should be organized in the earning, and by the constitutional validity 30,000 above and 30,000 below, like the pass mark, we will check earning that, and that will be the equilibrium employment point in India by the document method, because all the families of high grade are involved, earning 30,000 above, taking validity every year. It will change the outlook. Otherwise, we all are the sons and daughters of Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, Parashkrit Dham, Government Dham, by the document method. Above 30,000 per month earner and below 30,000 per month earner. By the document method, any eventuality is coming in our life, we are able to grasp that, because by the organized self-employment ministry, all the 29 brothers of chief ministers are attached to it. The central government, prime minister and president is attached to it. And by the signature, we are giving our power to the 750 MPs and 4,500 MLAs, 750 Hindus Multinational Corporation of India and 4,500 Hindus Multinational Corporation in states. 750 the educationists, the scientists, the lawyers giving power, and 4,500 educationists, scientists and lawyers working in the state. 750 central level women who are working for the development of women, Hindu women, and 4,500 state level women who are working for the Hindu women of 6 family from the court martial range. On the constitutional level, we'll put the court martial range automatically. The race will be understood immediately. Then 750 central level truth and 4,500 state level truth. Public Service Commission, TN session, these types of truthness, and 750 government truth non-violence and 4,500 state level movement. By this race, organized self-employment ministry, by the validity in the parliament and in Vidhan Sabha, we all will be seeing on the road, all are self-employed and attached to the organized self-employment ministry. We will call it Kailas Dham, Rashtrapati Bhavan and Governor House. Vaikunth Dham, Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Rashtrapati Bhavan and Governor House. Satya Dham, Rashtrapati Bhavan and Governor House. Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, Rashtrapati Bhavan and Governor House. Each united god and goddess, Rashtrapati Bhavan and Governor House. By the document method and government, Rashtrapati Bhavan and Governor House. And by the truth and non-violence, we will attach to our original Governor House and Rashtrapati Bhavan, as it is, by truth, non-violence and unity. And by the democratic signing of the work, we will every day pay to our politician. They will also pay every day by the fiscal credit per day, and to the multinational corporation, and to the educationists, and to the legal lawyers, and to the scientists, and to the women, and to the truth and non-violence, and to the government servant. Because by the document system, we are signing the documents that yes, I am organized self-employed ministry and government servant, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Going to the flashback of 31st August 1946. On the document we have been moving, which has been from the Clement Italy side when it came, and we started moving on. Now the time has come. From 2001 I am taking the session. We have to understand the organized self-employment ministry is the requirement of that. This is the oxygen of it. As the level of oxygen has increased, per month fiscal credit salary will give boost up to the economy in truth and non-violence. Educational certificate capital value will make us human capital, and in the same way as we are following. Only thing we have to believe, by putting our own chair and table in front of the rented organized self-employment ministry from the headquarters, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847400. Mobile number 6397360717. Room number 126. By the documented method, what will happen? The branches will have, according to the degree, we will make sitting, as I have tried to make a uniform system of degree. By the uniform method of degree, I have tried to make the system in this way, so that everyone get a uniform development. Illiterate, signature known, 5th class pass, 8th class pass, 10th class pass, 12th class pass, graduation pass, post graduation, MPhil pass, DLED pass, and PhD pass. And by the organized self-employment ministry, we are under the control of Prime Minister, President of India, the democratic elected, and the Chief Minister. Apart from this, 750 MPs and MLAs, 4,500 MLAs. Apart from this, the multinational corporation and the educationists, scientists, lawyers, the women, the Adi Shakti Jagdamba representatives, the truth and non-violence, and the government servant. By the self-employment government system, we are becoming self-employed government system and democratic system, because the system has changed. Now we are in Google age. We have everything. How much step we are moving, we can count by the mobile app. What is required is the document system. In the 6th room, if we are imagining 175 crore documents of each Rashtrapati Bhavan, putting document 12 Jyotir document I will recommend, and putting the dhoti and Banarsi sari, that is 72 Banarsi sari and 72 dhotis. We will always remember between 16 February to 26 February by making the pair of Shiv Parvati, Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna Radha Amita Laza Brahma Saraswati, law education, Adi Shakti Jagdamba and her husband, each united god and goddess, and the government issue. And putting the stamp, Trishul, vermilion mark, Chakra, vermilion mark, Kamandal, vermilion mark, the Pranit, vermilion mark, Book, vermilion mark, and the government vermilion mark. What will happen? We will become the sons and daughters of it, and by giving power, the house, Rashtrapati Bhavan house, will come in the hand of this document, and document will go to the parliament and Vidhan Sabha, and by that we will be transferred. We will be transferred from one Rashtrapati Bhavan to other house. One Rashtrapati Bhavan is stagnant. A uniform employment will develop in India, and we will be always having. If 10 rupees is given, then although we are satisfied, because we can do Monday fast, Tuesday fast, Thursday fast, Friday fast, Saturday fast, and Sunday fast. According to our planning, we can make and work according to that. This will develop our system into organized system, because one thing is stable, that our chair and our tail is fixed at that place. 130 crore population is there, no problem according to that, because in one day neither population is increasing nor it is decreasing. As we have municipal corporation in every district, organized self-employment office, where we can stay according to our degree. With our chair and table, automatically it will develop into self-employment government job by giving trust and faith. And this trust and faith is transferred to the all the political party president and MPs and MLAs. Automatically we become self-employed government system. We are the sons of Kailakdam, Bakundam, Saddam, Adi Shakti Jagdambadam, each united God and Goddess and government dam. By the document system, we are accepting the document path, and automatically it will move into a civilization where will be documented. Every year we can check the 30,000 above and 30,000 below, and 70-30 ratio we will maintain for the vote bank, because the development is there by truth and non-violence. For achieving one graduation, 3 years is required. For post-graduation, 2 years is required. By the document system, we will have assurance. The vote bank can be managed. We can take out the printout of Trishul and vermilion mark. We can take out the printout of Chakra and vermilion mark. We can take out the printout of Kamandal and vermilion mark. We can take out the printout of the Trinetra and vermilion mark. We can take out the printout of the Varshkrit books and vermilion marks, and we can take out the government stamp and vermilion mark. We are the sons and daughters of this. By the document path, we will move, and automatically we will be able to develop in an organized manner, because 10 rupees earning is fixed, and rest 30,000 above and 30,000 below in the documented economy, it will move to us, to the development. We have to understand that self-employment government servant we are becoming from our home, work from home, and in the office also. and in all types of work we can have the professionalism develop, because we will work from heart. 0 to 18 if we required any eventuality in our life, and 18 to 58 year if we are not able to settle, here is the fiscal credit table by which we are able to uniform our employment, and it is in the office of Prime Minister and Chief Minister, and we are the board banks of this. Our brothers will and sisters will always guide us, because they will come into our ministry, and we will develop into a uniform system of employment. Come and join organized self-employment ministry. Purchase truth only terms. Thank you.